Hi guys, I am Rafiq from University of Newcastle. At this moment I gonna talk about the solid phase extraction process. It's very simple and straightforward. It has some few stages and few materials or stuffs you will have to use for this extraction process. To make it familiar, I want to show you. This is the sampler bottle, and this is the motor, and this is the vacuum manifold system. This is important part of this extraction process. Here inside special types of cartridge here I inserted. I will show you which cartridge I inserted, and here few chemicals, and this is the collection waste collector bottles or collection bottles, you can say. Few steps here. One step is for cartridge conditioning. This is one of important part of this extraction, and second part is the sample loading, which is going on at this moment, and third step is the fraction collection or elution collection. I want to elaborate it to ensure you perfectly say this is the cartridge especially made for estrogenic compounds or pesticides compounds. I am doing this extraction on the basis of manufacturer methodology. It's very simple. First you have to do the condition of the cartridge. Say using this type of chemical. Say middle one is the dichloromethane, and this is the ratio of the methanol and MTBE 10:90, and this is the methanol. Since this cartridge is especially made for estrogenic and pesticide compounds, high carbon chain compounds, so first you have to use this ECM, and then this compound ratio, and finally the methanol to make it conditioning. Why you have to do the conditioning? To ensure it the porosity increasing of this cartridge. Without conditioning, water can pass through it. So before going to the water loading, you have to do the condition of this cartridge. After conditioning, on the basis of the manufacturer methodology guidelines, then you have to load the water compounds. Water, either you have to use 1 liter or 500 milliliter, depends on you. It will go through the cartridge, and finally it will go to the waste collector bottle. Just you have to ensure this connection is okay or not with the motor. Motor will produce the vacuuming here, so that it can easily suck out water into the air. So after completing loading of that, third section would be the fraction collection. You have to use again these compounds. Since finally you use the water loading, so I think you can use first the methanol, and then this ratio, that is high polarity to low polarity to collection. Basically ECM is the main solvent here, since your target is pesticides or estrogenic compounds, high carbon chain compound. So DCM you must ensure here to the elution process. Say you have to use some bottle. I diluted here already a few samples. Then you have to dry it under of nitrogen condition, and temperature might be 20 to 30 based on your targeted compound. Remember, you should not use more temperature for drying process because it may escape all of your compounds. So nitrogen drying is important, but you have to care about the temperature and the pressure. After drying, it would be say 500 microliter. Then you have to re-dilution it. You can prepare it 1 mil or 1.5 mil for LCMS system. Using the methanol, must be you have to ensure that HPLC grade methanol for LCMS sample. Another thing I want to ensure with you, this is the fume hoods. You have to ensure this type of extraction under a fume hood, because here you see the all types of compounds are volatile, so it may not only contaminate you, it may contaminate your environment. So you have to save yourself, and you have to save the environment. So you have to ensure this type of extraction under a fume hood.